Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Saturday Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and simply leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. And if you're new here, Virgo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. Page of Swords, center of my spread. Somebody is heavily spying. Losing hope in this connection, it seems. Somebody is. The star in reverse. That's the overall energy of this reading, Virgo. Somebody is not feeling very happy at all. Maybe because there is somebody who is just not stepping up to the plate or putting in any kind of work in this connection. Yet still wanting to be seen as somebody who's dynamic, who's a go-getter or whatever. This person is keeping a strong spying on. There's a lot of spying energy, and also a Queen of Swords in reverse, who seems to have kind of lost trust in this connection, that this can ever be now. Maybe that third party is involved here. Somebody's thinking maybe it's not even worth fighting for anymore, kind of losing hope kind of a situation here. So what I'm going to do is, Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll, move on to clarifying these cards. Virgo and their person, spirit. Virgo and their person. If they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person. Take a few more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. And a couple more from here. Virgo and their person, spirit. All right. Okay, Virgo, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed. But the other person is acknowledging that, yes, I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. We are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future that we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. Your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So somebody is losing their trust in their person now. I want to welcome you into my family. You're half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, wiser, and your love is the greatest love I've ever known. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. And that's the reason maybe somebody hasn't been taking action, and that's really upset their partner, who's losing hope now, losing trust in this connection as well. So the Sun Spirit in reverse and the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Sun in reverse and the Eight of Pentacles in reverse? Somebody feels it's time maybe to turn their back on somebody, on their partner who they feel has always lied to them, or has been lying to them, or has been emotionally closed off, never really opened up, maybe said some harsh, rude, mean words as well. As much as they are unhappy about all the things that I'm saying, they do see their person as very fiery and exciting as well. The Emperor spirit in reverse, Emperor in reverse, Emperor in reverse. Yes, I don't know. This Emperor in reverse is usually a person who is like a false emperor. They pretend to be in control of a situation which normally they are not. They know they need to make a decision, but they always want to be seen as that fiery energy. Could be a fire sign, I don't know, as somebody who's in control and who is going to take action, and they are going to direct the show here. All that is there, but I don't think they've done anything yet. As much as they've needed to get off this crossroads and maybe put an end to some kind of competition or some fight or something, I don't think this person's taken any action yet. They've been kind of in like a stuck mode here. They are still trying to find out how they can still have power and control in a situation without maybe creating too much of a conflict over whatever situation they're in. I don't know. What about this King of Wands spirit? What is this all about? Come out twice now. Somebody knows they need to take action, but the thought of it taking action, I think, brings them down. They're going through some kind of very dark emotion here. One more spirit for the King of Wands. King of Wands. Again, the Emperor in reverse. They feel they are powerless. They feel that they may pretend to look like they are the person, who's in control and, I have all my shit together and whatever. But in actuality, this person doesn't feel they have the power at all. In fact, they're feeling all is lost. All is lost. Things have become stagnant. This is just a facade. I think this person is still trying to keep up. The combination of these two cards has come out twice now. It came out here, the Emperor and the King of Wands, and the Emperor and the King of Wands, right? So this person actually doesn't have, or is not doing the right thing, or is not being that Emperor. Maybe doesn't feel they have the power, but they want to showcase themselves as if they're fine, they're doing well. So who's spying on who, Spirit? What's this Page of Swords? Somebody is waiting. Somebody is waiting for somebody else to make maybe a decision. Yes, I think this could be this feminine energy who's keeping a watch on this masculine now, waiting for them to make a decision, checking up on them, checking for maybe messages or their social media to see what's happening in this masculine's life in actuality, because they also feel that they are saying something but behaving another way. They've got a mask on. So as this feminine has been waiting for them to make a choice and become the person that they've always promised them they would be. The person who, will come and take back control of a relationship, who will be the provider, who will be that spouse, who will do the right thing. But till now, yes, this Queen of Swords is out again. I think this Queen of Swords really has a lot to say. The Queen of Swords is right now telling me that I need to know now. I need to know now. I'm losing trust in this connection as the days are going by, because there's been too much delay here. There's too much delay that's happened in this connection. This person is not stepping up to the plate, and where is that commitment which they always said that they would give, right? So this Queen of Swords has her sword up now, and Ten of Pentacles in reverse again. I mean, this is what is happening here. This Queen of Swords doesn't feel that this is coming. They've kind of lost hope that this offer will ever be given, because there could be a third party situation here. Maybe that person is still involved with somebody else. Maybe this Queen of Swords is waiting for them to end something, to begin something. But right now they don't see any action, except maybe, their person putting up a false mask of being brave and yet not taking any action. Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Swords in reverse. Yes, this Queen of Swords has lost trust because they don't see any work being put in. The only work they feel is being put in is, maybe the passion is still there, or maybe this person comes in only for passion but never becomes that emperor and takes control of the situation. As much as this Queen of Swords is also interested, I think, in having a passionate new beginning with this person, they've started to see them as a bit weak now. I shouldn't say it, but almost like a coward now, that you only come in for passion. What's the point when you're bringing nothing else to the table? You're not putting in any work to ground the situation, or give me a commitment, or make some decisions. Nine of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Wands in reverse. Yes, the Queen of Swords is feeling that their person has been lying to them till now and is ready to drop this. My God, a Nine of Wands is clarified by the Nine of Wands. This is like somebody saying, I'm tired now. I'm tired. I've really waited and waited and waiting, and I can't fight for this connection anymore. I think it's time for me to drop this. Because why? Because my person is just not bringing clarity to the situation, not telling me where we stand. Star in reverse, Spirit. Star in reverse. Yes, they feel the person is being very foolish and being very, very immature, and not being that emperor or the King of Pentacles that they want them to be. And they're starting to doubt now that any new beginning is even possible now. Somebody is really, really big time losing hope here. So right now there could be a lot of stagnancy in this connection. Of course, by next week I'll go into their side and see actually what's happening there and why there is so much stagnancy happening here. So chill, take a chill pill. I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you, see if my angels can help you. Blessing, guidance, yes, advice, or a message. So please, whoever's losing hope here, my angels are saying, please be brave. Okay, you have to stay strong, you have to be brave. And this could also be a message for the cross watcher. Cross watcher, if you're watching this kind of behavior is not going to cut it, right? You have to not just show that you are a go-getter, you have to also be brave and take a stand. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.